everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for Weight Loss Wednesday, but this week it's on a Thursday. Sorry guys, I didn't film yesterday. The night before, which would have been Tuesday night, I could not fall. I was up all night, could not fall asleep. I didn't go to bed till 5 a.m. and then woke up at 8 a.m. Only got 3 hours sleep, and then I felt bad all day yesterday. I was able to sneak in another hour-long little nap, but then I had an eye doctor appointment. So I didn't even bother to try to film yesterday. Sorry guys, I just wasn't looking my best, wasn't feeling my best, and I knew I had to go to the eye doctor. So here we are today, which is fine. It's just a day behind. It's no big deal. It's not, you know, the end of the world. I am happy to say this past week I've lost 5 pounds with a total of 8 pounds down now, and I can tell it. I can see it. I measured myself the first day I started, and then I measured myself again yesterday, and I have lost 3 inches in my bust, 2 inches in my waist, and 2.5 inches in my hips. Yay, I am happy about that. I can tell with my clothes, I can see this is a good 8 pounds I've lost. It wasn't just water weight or, you know, like you do with some other diets. I am enjoying this app. I like following the app, and I am learning, I think, more about food than I ever have. It's one thing to count your calories, but with this, I don't know. Counting my points, this is working for me. Now, what works for me might not work for you. I have found that with a lot of things. So this is just what is working for me, and I am enjoying it. I ate out, let's see, I ate out last Sunday, and I was able to count my points. I went in. I love the app. It's got a lot of restaurants, but it's got a lot of everything. The restaurant we ate at, we ate outside. It was a barbecue place, and we ate outside, and I was able to count my points. That day, I did go over my points. I didn't let it faze me. I just kept going, making good decisions. And then yesterday, we got picked up some chicken at Publix and had that for dinner. So yeah, I did eat out those 2 times, but it didn't seem to have messed with, I don't know, maybe I would have lost more weight if I hadn't have gone over my points. I went over 1 point yesterday, so I don't count that too bad. On Sunday, I did go over, how many points was it? I can't remember. It wasn't 5. It was less than 5. It was less than 5. I went over, but I did go over my points. But that's okay. I'm finding I can look in the app and see, like my family was wanting McDonald's for breakfast one morning. So I was looking to see what was the better choice for me to order from McDonald's. So I did. I ate out 3 times. We eat out a lot, or we don't go out and eat. Going to the barbecue place was the first time I have been out to eat in over a year since the lockdown. We order and have it delivered, but we do eat out a lot. So I had McDonald's, and by going through the app and looking at what my choices were, I went with the Egg McMuffin, and I hadn't had an Egg McMuffin, and I bet you 20 years or more. And it was really good. I'd always get the McGriddles. I just love that sweetness. And then like a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle was what I would always get. This time, I just went with the Egg McMuffin, and I enjoyed it. It was 9 bites. Well, it's bite. I call them points. They're bites. So it was 9 bites, and that seems to be about with what I average around 9 bites a meal is what I'm averaging. And I'm eating a lot more fresh fruit. I'm eating more vegetables, especially having salad. It's salad time of year for me, so that's good. I'm one of these weird people. I don't eat ice cream in the winter, and I don't eat salad too much in the winter. I will, but it's not something I eat a lot of. But I eat soup in the winter. In the summer, I don't want soup. I want my salads, and I definitely want ice cream, but I have not had any ice cream. This coming weekend, we will be going to my in-laws for to celebrate my son's birthday and my mother-in-law's birthday. And my son likes an ice cream cake. I'm not going to have any of that ice cream cake. I'm not going to do it. We're going to have hamburgers and hot dogs, and I'm making baked beans from scratch and mac and cheese from scratch. And I am going to indulge that day with some mac and cheese and some baked beans. Hopefully I won't go too much over, but it doesn't seem to be hurting me to go over a little. So I'm going to plan for that and adjust for that, and maybe not eat any breakfast that morning, and we'll eat around noon. And so I am very pleased with how things are going. I'm on a pretty good track. I hope by the time I go to the beach, which is 4 weeks away, 4 weeks till my beach vacation. Hopefully I have lost some more weight, and whatever I lose, I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game now, so I'm happy with my 8. And next week, hopefully we will discuss hitting my 10-pound goal, and also what my next goal present will be. What I'll give myself. So anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all are doing good. Let me know how you're doing down below, because I know a lot of you are joining with me on this. So I'd like to hear how you're doing, so we can all just be there for each other. And yeah, guys, again, I will see you next week.